welcome back to Ready, Set, Read with Miss Honey Bear. Take a seat, gather around, because today we're reading Dad and His Crew Power Through. And today we have a very special shout out. Hi, Rhodes! I hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope you enjoyed this story time. And parents, today we're working on labeling. All right, let's get started. So the name of the book, or the title, that's Dad and His Crew Power Through. And the person who wrote all the words, the author, that's Sherri, Duskey, Rinker. And the person who drew all the beautiful pictures, the illustrator, that's A.G. Ford. Hi, A.G. Hi, Sherri. Thank you for writing and drawing such a fun book. Okay, my little cubs, let's get started. Open book. Oh, wow, look at this beautiful big sunshine. So much yellow and the dirt all brown. And I see lots of construction trucks. Very cool. Let's turn the page. Wow, look, more construction trucks. Little and big. On this big construction site, the moon is lighting up the night. Lighting up the night, we can see so bright, right? It's not dark, it's bright. Lighting up the night. There's the moon. Hi, moon. Hello. An awesome, mighty giant sleeps, blending with the rocky heaps. His massive form against the sky is like a mountain, soaring high. Little skid steers snooze nearby. Here they are, the little skid steers. Hello, they're snoozing. Shh, shh, snoozing. Oh, it's nighttime. They're all taking a big rest. Let's turn the page. Before the sun can fully rise, one skid steer opens her eyes. Open! My little cubs, can you close your eyes like this? And then open. Open. Maybe we'll put a really big yawn in there like we're just waking up. Good morning. Do some stretches. Then others wake up one by one, all ready for some big, loud fun. My little cubs, we're going to say big, loud fun. Not quiet. Not quiet fun. Loud fun. So exciting. Oh, look, they've got little blankets on them. How fun. That must keep them nice and toasty warm. And here's all the little hills. Lots of dirt piles. They've got a busy day ahead of them. Look at the beautiful sunrise. Oh my goodness. I see a teddy bear. Hi, teddy bear. That looks like a little cub. And another little teddy bear. Oh my goodness. That is so fun. All next to the little dirt rubble. Rubble. Let's turn the page. The giant stretches in slow motion. Not fast. Not a fast stretch. A giant slow motion stretch. My little cubs, can you do a really big stretch? Ooh, like this, but in slow motion. Good job, my little cubs. That was nice and slow. Awakened by the skid commotion. Lots of loud noise. All the commotion over there. Lots of loudness. Now, as sun glimmers through, the big guy comes right into view. Where's the big guy? Where's the big truck? I see some trucks over here and a truck right here. Which one's big? Not little, big. You point to it. That's right, my little cubs. The big guy right here. Right into view. A colossal, huge machine. The most enormous ever seen. A wheel loader, mega-sized. Big loader opens up his eyes. Wow! This is a big, big, big truck. Oh my goodness. I wonder what he's gonna do. Let's see. Let's turn the page. Little skid steer, Kid McGear, and all the other kids are here. Hi, kids. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little kids. Hello. 5 little kids went out one day over to the dirt to play. The skids all raced big loader's way. They're all racing over to the big loader. And they're revved up to start the day. They rev up their engines. They start them up, right? Oh, they're so excited. Big loader's massive engine roars. My little cubs, can you roar your engine like you're starting up? Roar. Good job, my little cubs. Booms activate, his buckets soar. There's his little bucket like this. It goes soaring up in the sky and down and up in the sky and down. How fun is that? Oh, they're going to have such a fun day. I can't wait to see what they do. Let's turn the page. Now he has the skids' attention. He checks their tires and suspension, then gets them all fueled up and ready so that they'll run strong and steady. Fueled up. They need gas. Gasoline, like a car, right? What is our fuel? What makes us big and strong and let us run all day long? The food, right? We eat and we eat and that helps us run all day long, right? So we can be energized and strong and steady throughout the day so we can think clearly and we can move around. Attachments on, it's time to go. The skids all line up in a row. Doot, 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 doot. All in a row. And here's their fuel, their gas. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, 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 doot. Doot, doot, doot. Next up. Doot, 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 doot. Next up. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, 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 doot. I can't believe how nicely they're waiting in line. You see that? They're being so patient. Waiting so nicely. Thank you, little trucks. Nice work. And here's the big truck. Big guy. Hello. He's got a big smile on his face. So happy to see them. Loader and the little ones will dig and move 500 tons. Holy moly, that's a lot. They've got a busy day, like they said, so they've got to fuel up. Let's turn the page. Under Loader's watchful eye, he's watching all the little skids. The skids are working, rolling by. Good job working, little skids. Big Loader's there to supervise his little truck, so tiny-sized. Supervise, he likes to look at them, make sure they're all doing a good job. If they need help, they can ask, kind of like their teacher. If you need help at school, you go to your teacher and say, hey, I need some help. Or like your parents, maybe you need a little help doing all your work. Or maybe you need help finding a toy, right? We go to our parents or our teachers so they can supervise us and help us out if we need. As wise and kind as he can be, Big Loader teaches patiently. That is so kind. How to lift high without tipping. Oh, that's tricky. Look, he has to lift it up with all of this rubble, all of this dirt, and lots of rocks. They go up, but they don't want to tip it over, right? They don't want to empty it out. So they're learning how to lift it up without tipping. Oh, that is a tricky job. Roll on smooth rock without slipping. Roll over here. Do you see them go without slipping and sliding? Carry load so nothing spills. And climb the very steepest hills. Look at this hill. Oh my goodness. That is so steep. Not flat. Up, 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 up. Super steep. Oh my goodness. Let's turn the page. The skids learn how to pull their weight, to share, and to cooperate. He shows them what a team should be, that teamwork makes a family. Oh, I really like that. He's showing them how to work together, how to share. Right? That is a good team in the making. All these little skids are helping out. Everybody's helping each other. Good job. I hope they use nice communication, right? In order to make a teamwork, we need to use our words, right? Oh, I hope they're doing that too. That's so cool. Around the site, uphill and down, the trucks move mountains, loads of ground. Big Loader leads his mighty crew, so proud to see what they can do. He does look proud. Look, he's got a big smile. A big smile looking and supervising over all the little tiny trucks. I see this little truck is pushing all the rubble. Push, push, push the rocks. This guy's digging in the rocks. Zzz. Making little holes. It looks like he's making them smaller, maybe. This guy's picking up the rocks. Pick up, and bringing it over here in a little pile. This guy, it looks like he's got these big long poles. Do you see that? And he's holding on to them. And he's handing them to this little guy who's putting them in the ground. What a wonderful team! I love to see it. Let's turn the page. The day wears on, chores now complete. They finished! Good job! Excited skids don't miss a beat. As fired up as they can get, not one of them is sleepy yet. They haven't worn themselves out yet. They must have fueled up really well. Good job, little skids. They roll to Loader straight away and all start begging him to play. It looks like they're playing hide and seek. Here's one hiding, another one hiding, and these guys are going off to find. Where did the trucks go? Where could they be? Peek-a-boo! Peek-a-boo! How fun is that? Little trucks playing hide and seek before they sleep. Let's turn the page. It's getting dark, the day is done. It's bedtime for each little one. The tiny truck so young and small. Big Loader leads them one and all. He gets them settled, tucked in tight, and each one snuggles in just right. There's the little blankets. There they are. Gotta get them all tucked in, snuggled up, nice and toasty warm for the night ahead. That is so nice. Look at this one with the little teddy bear. Hi, teddy bear. And the big wheels. Oh, my goodness. His wheels are bigger than the little tiny steer. Oh, my goodness. That is so fun to see. Let's turn the page. On this big construction site, the moon is lighting up the night. There's the moon. Hi, moon. Hello. My little cubs, can you say hello to the moon? Hi, moon. Hello. Tired Giant rolls to bed so he can finally rest his head and set his bucket right here. Here's his bucket on the ground. Because sometimes he has it upright. He's going to set it on the ground because he's getting so sleepy and tired. Now that the kids are safe and sound. He's got a little blanket too. Oh my goodness, it looks like it's orange with green polka dots. How fun is that? Oh, and there's everybody sleeping safe and sound. Resting. Let's turn the page. So hardworking every day, so very loved in every way. A great machine, so kind and smart. A giant with a giant heart. Big Loader always does his best. Great job, Dad. Now get some rest. This is the daddy and all his little baby children. Oh, little babies. There's some other guys working over here too. Do you see that? And they've got a light on. Oh, they must work at night. Oh my goodness. Overachievers. Wow. Good night. My little cubs, can you say good night to all the trucks? Good night. Nice work. Say shh. We don't want to wake them. Let's turn the page. The end. Look, there's a big moon. And now it's nighttime. Wow, my little cubs, that was such a fun story. I hope you enjoyed our story time. I'll catch you next story time, okay? Bye-bye.